Learn how to use the if function in Excel to quickly evaluate logical conditions and find out whether they are true or false. This function is particularly helpful when you need to determine if the quantity of a certain product is sufficient or if new goods need to be reordered. To get started, select the cell where you want to display the result, such as D3, and type in the equal sign followed by if. Excel will provide a list of functions, so choose if from the options. Next, you will need to enter 3 details: the logical test that Excel will evaluate, and 2 different values that will be displayed based on whether the logical test is true or false. First, enter the logical test, which compares whether the quantity of a specific product is greater than your desired amount. For example, you can compare the number in cell C3, quantity of smartphones available in store, to the goal in cell F3. After entering the logical test, add a semicolon or comma and then enter the value that Excel will display if the condition is true. For instance, if you want Excel to display a message like reorder, type it in quotation marks. If the value is a number, you don't need quotation marks. Don't forget to add a semicolon or comma. Now, you need to enter the value that Excel will show if the condition is false. For instance, if you want Excel to display a horizontal stroke, type a dash in quotation marks. After adding all 3 details, close the brackets and hit enter. You have successfully used the if function to evaluate the logical condition and display the appropriate value. The function immediately evaluated that in the first product line we have enough smartphones, so we do not have to reorder the goods. If you want to copy the function to the rest of the columns, we will share a helpful trick with you in our next video tutorial. If you found this tutorial video helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.